Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. So I have had a long time idea to start a new series in my channel. The new series name will be Workshop Life. There I start showing what I do for a living. I run this Wolf Garage workshop, so I'm repairing cars, welding, modifying. Some weeks there are only boring stuff, oil changes, brake pads, and right now we have one interesting project what we start in this series. You will see. So let's go outside. I have cars there what I fix, and let's see what we will start doing. We're out now. Behind me are some cars, in front of me are some cars, but in this episode what we start doing, we start working for the ep1. Yeah, you saw right. We start working with the Chevy van. It's 6-liter V8 diesel, and we refresh axles and some that kind of stuff. One side I did already, need to make the other side and the rear axle, and some other parts, a lot parts in my workshop for this car. And yeah, it's kind of interesting car. I have not done American cars before a lot. One Cadillac in this summer. I will connect the battery, hope it will start, and let's see, do I get it to the workshop, because we have snow and it has summer tires, and those are not small summer tires. Frozen Chevy is in the workshop. Like you saw, the door is almost the same size like this van. So yeah, need to fold the mirrors to get this in. And first time it did not come in. The rear wheels started to spin. Needed to go a little bit back and then try it again. So now it's in the warm workshop. It dries until the morning. Chevy is dry. Now we can start working with this. I don't want to lift it all the way up. I don't know how this lift can handle it, but we can lift the front and then the rear. So I have one old wheels and some wood what I use for lifting it. Then we can take front wheels off. So let's see how it will game out. Chevy is lifted and wheels are off. So what we start doing here, we change suspension, brake pads, brake discs, wheel bearings. Steering system is already new. We change stabilizer pushers, these upper and lower one. And yeah, these we don't change because they are really good shape. And we change lower control arm bushers, what are really pain in ass, I think, to change them. Okay, so I will start working, and I don't know, to my battery last that I can take all the time lapse on, maybe, let's see. I wanted to finish today this front axle, but some problems with this suspension holder here. There's it's welded before, need to think what problem there is, but it's usual in car mechanic life that some problems will bring, but yeah, we will fix that and all will be good again. But I like this bus system, how the parts can remove a lot space here to work with this car. First episode of Car Workshop Life is done. I hope you did enjoy this, and I hope you like that I bring other cars also into my channel. And yeah, so feel free to comment what you think about this series, like, subscribe, and I also know what we do in the next episode, and it's out of workshop, and you will see it in the next episode. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!